Oh, Malu, how did you get into this lighting automation?
Ano kasi architect, na-realize namin na maraming beautifully designed spaces nako-compromise yung, turnover.
Oh, bakit? Ba't mo nasabi yun?
Because once you see the row of switches, 'di ba, sa walls, the design loses its purity. So 'pag magulo yung mga switches mo, 'di ba, parang nasisira yung design.
Ay, totoo yan. Alam mo, Malu.
Hmm,
Sometimes may nakikita akong mga switches na
mhm.
minsan hindi pa nga pantay-pantay eh. Kaya,
Nainis ka ba?
oo, nainis ako.
Nasira yung
I,
design
I
mo.
always wondered, may iba pa bang solution to this? Ganon? Meron ba kayong
Yes,
ganon?
meron.
Mm.
So, with our lighting automation, ma-minimize natin yung mga switches na yan, yung mga wall clutters, yan.
Oo. Paano siyang ma-minimize?
Kasi yung system natin, wala na siyang wiring.
What? Wala na?
Yes. All wireless and can be controlled through cell phones or iPads, ganyan.
Ay, buti nabanggit mo yan. Parang ano din ba siya? Parang smart system, gano'n? Parang
Yes.
usong-uso ngayon yung
Oh,
smart system, eh,
smart
no?
system, yes.
So you're saying, yung cellphone mo can actually control yung mga lights na nasa bahay mo?
Yes.
Tapos, anong type of control can you do for the light?
Puwede kang mag-set ng mood, puwede kang mag-timer, even the colors, yan, puwede mong i-set.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, kasi may
Mm.
iba-iba tayong color na it depends on the mood, 'di ba? Na gusto mong gawin
Yes.
sa isang space. I think
Yes.
that's really, really
For
helpful.
example, sa kitchen, 'di ba, habang nagluluto ka, yung tunable lights mo puwedeng, ano siya, bright. Tapos pagkakain na kayo, puwede mo siyang i-dim, oh, 'di ba, to
Oh,
set the mood, oh, 'di ba?
very
'Pag may
good.
date ka, architect.
Yeah, oh, very good, very
Puwede
good.
'yan.
Okay. So, lahat ba ng paano 'yun? All the fixtures kailangan manggaling sa inyo or meron mga lights that nandiyan na, you just bring in the automation and it can dim or kailangan special yung lighting na yun?
Hindi naman kailangan special yung lighting, puwede rin naman siya existing lighting.
Hmm,
Pero mas maganda kung sa amin na lahat kasi 'pag lighting plus automation yung kinuha sa amin, we
yeah.
offer 5 years warranty.
Wow, 5 years,
Yes,
I
5
see.
years. Ang normal warranty ng lights is just 3 years.
Wow, okay. So, when you do the design also, tama?
Yes,
Of
puwede.
the pwede, no? And then, you supply,
Yes.
tapos kayo rin nag-install.
Yes.
Pwede rin, ang galing. And
Yes.
then you have the warranty and maintenance of it. So anytime na may problema, they
Puwedeng
just can call
tawagan.
you up. Oh,
Yes.
that's nice. Okay.
Puwedeng-puwede.
So Maluk, kami, we mga design mga spaces, no? But I'm also curious, based on a lighting consultant, ano yung para sa'yo yung perfectly designed space para sa'yo?
Lighting defines, how the space feels, 'di ba?
Mm.
So, puwede natin siyang gawan ng mood, ng scene, ng hierarchy. So, for example, sa bedroom, 'di ba? Gusto mo ng matulog,
Mm.
ayaw mo naman ng sobrang bright na lights. So 'yan, puwede natin siyang gawan ng dim lights, 'di ba? Parang mas cozy yung ambiance.
Paano yun? Do you have to control each of the light or pwede siyang gawan ng mga setting? Kunwari sa mga hotels, 'di ba? Meron ng mga isang button lang,
Mhm.
it totally changes the mood. Sa inyo, how does it work?
'Yun, may isa lang tayong, console,
Oo.
puwede nga cellphone, iPad, do'n na natin siya iko-control, ipo-program, puwede nating gawin 'yun do'n.
Mahirap ba
All in
siya?
one app.
Mahirap ba siya i-program?
Hindi.
Ah,
Napakadali kahit hindi ka techie kaya mong i-program yung, app, yung light
okay.
sa app.
Kayo ang tutulong sa pag-program or
Yes.
okay.
'Pag tinurn over sa inyo yung lights, yung
Oo.
automation, naka-program na yun, sa desired niyo na mood, na
Oo,
timing,
okay.
puwede rin i-manual override kung may gusto kayong palitan, let's say for a certain day. For example, sa golf course, 'di
Yeah,
ba?
oo.
Monday gusto mo blue, puwede rin
Yes,
'yan.
oo.
Tuesday,
Mm.
red. And kung may event, pwede mo naman tanggalin yun.
Galing galing.
Yes.
So
Pwede rin siya sa pools.
bukod
diba?
bukod sa interior, you could also light the exterior, landscaping and all the
Yes.
outdoor
Correct. Indoor and
okay,
outdoor
galing
siya.
okay. Tapos saan ba 'to gawa? You mentioned kasi kanina warranties eh. How saan yung manufacturer? Where did it come from?
The system came from Finland.
Okay.
Yes. Ang mga gumawa nung app are Nokia developers.
Oh, okay.
So
okay.
talagang trusted na siya all over the world.
Do they have to pay for subscription to
Ayun ang kinagandahan, architect.
Oo.
Wala tayong subscription, monthly subscription, wala. The app is all free. Pwede mo siyang gamitin hanggat gusto mo.
Wow, okay.
Yeah.
So
Hanggat
at
buhay yung
any
ilaw
time.
mo.
Oo, okay. Yun yung worry nung iba kasi, 'di ba? After some time pagka-install forget na tapos hindi na nila alam how to manage it. Kayo you are always there. Tapos you make sure na yung app is always working and they can control it. Tama,
Yes,
no?
ang kinagandahan pa nung app, lagi siya nag-update. So parang every
Oo.
15 days nag-update yung app.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Sa case ng mga hospitality industry, sa mga leisure, I'm sure marami sa atin na nagpapagawa din ng mga resorts and mga high-end na luxury. How can your automation lighting product help in this? Yung mga systems, how can it help?
Ano rin siya, energy efficient din yung mga lighting. Because pag hindi natin ginagamit yung ilaw or yung space, 'di ba? Kunwari maaraw pa, pwede natin siyang i-dim. So dun energy saving siya.
Okay.
And it's all programmable dun sa app natin.
Oh, okay. Tama, malaking bagay yun kasi as you know, pagka commercially oriented yung isang project, malaking bagay yung overhead, di ba? So
Yes.
anything that you can cut down sa cost, lalo na mga light that you don't need during the day, automatic siya you can program it,
Yes,
no? Na
yes.
it can reduce yung consumption, tama ba?
Yes.
Okay.
And maiiwasan din yung mga naiiwan yung mga ilaw na bukas.
Oo. Okay. Other than automating light, ano pa ba yung mga things that you think your system can automate?
It can also automate curtains.
Wow.
Eventually, music.
Mhm.
So far, yan pa lang. Pero as technology expands, di ba? Siyempre, kailangan natin sumabay sa technology. Otherwise, left behind tayo, di
Yeah,
ba?
oo. You mentioned curtains. Paano? How does it automate and control curtains?
Using the same app, pwede niyang i-open, close yung curtains mo. So, together with the lighting, can control it in that app.
Oo. Kasi sometimes, hindi mo naman talaga kailangan mag-on ng artificial lighting. If you just open the curtain, you let
Yes.
the daylight come
Natural
in.
light,
Ganda.
yes.
That's really nice. Kasi yung daylight prettifies the space talaga naman. And then, parang kasama yung motorized system
Yes.
with your,
Kasama sa curtains yung motorized system.
okay.
Ang kinagandaan pa nito, architect, syncable siya with Alexa, Google Home, and Apple Home. So, pag tinatamad ka ng tumayo, sabihin mo lang, Alexa, turn off lights.
Galing,
Pwede, yes.
Ang galing.
Or open curtains, pwede.
Yeah, oo. So, parang may AI na rin siya, no?
Yes, actually,
Oo.
AI talaga siya. AI-powered. Kaya smart
Oh, that's
automation.
nice. So, kunwari, I'm a first-time client. First time ako gagamit ng automation lighting. How do you explain this to someone like me na very traditional ako? I use yung talagang manual switch. How do you convince me to look into automated lighting systems?
Sa amin kasi, we simplify it. So instead of explaining technology, we ask them, how do you want your space to feel in the morning, in mid-afternoon, in dinner, during nighttime? Tapos we show them how one touch can change the mood instantly.
Oo nga, no? Galing talaga ng tech ngayon, no?
Yes.
So, you are, focusing more on mga experience,
Yes.
no? For mga homeowners.
Homeowners and users, no? Especially for architects like you, di ba? Ayaw mo
Okay,
masira
yeah.
yung mga
Oo.
design nyo.
Oo.
It really helps with yung mga wall clutter. For sure, hindi masisira yung design nyo. It
Yeah.
will also elevate, di ba? Because of the wireless technology.
Kasi na-imagine ko parang there might come a time na since controlled na lahat by an app or a device, baka wala na talagang switches in the future. Totally. It's a
Yes.
clean wall, no?
Yan ba ang pangarap mo? Clean wall?
Clean wall. Para
Clean wall.
hindi na di-disturb yung material finish, di ba? You have that. And then, paano yun? Tapos may AI pa siya. And then, may sensor ba rin ba to? I mean,
Yes, pwede rin.
it can detect movement and then
Yes.
can adjust by itself?
Yes.
Paano siya? How does it work?
Parang when you walk into a room, it can light up.
Okay.
So, dun pala nakaka-save ka na, di ba? Kasi pag walang gumagamit ng room, hindi mag-on yung lights. Pero pag nakadetect siya ng motion, mag-on siya automatically.
And then you can just, di ba, say a command.
Yes,
Kunyari,
pwede rin.
movie time, ganun. Tapos, mamamatay
Yes.
siya and then it will just focus on the...
Pwede siyang cinematic lights, pwede rin.
Ang galing naman ng technology nowadays. Nakaka-amaze, no? Nakaka-amaze masyado. So, sa ibang bansa, I'm sure marami ng mga gumagamit itong automation.
Yes.
Sa Philippines, tingin mo saan kaya ang industry that would best benefit or saan yung would make the biggest impact ng automated lighting system?
I think ang pinaka-mabe-benefit dito are boutique spaces. Yung mga hotels, restaurants, cafes, because ambience directly affects customer experience, di ba?
Oo, totoo siya. It's part of na ngayon yung branding, yung sometimes pa nga, I don't know, hindi naman sa lahat, pero sometimes I feel like the value of the interior of the space, yung how you feel inside, sometimes more important pa than the product that they're selling. Anong mga benefits ng mga young developers to learn more about your lighting automation this early?
For small developers, it could be their edge. Because, di ba, marami namang nagde-design, nagde-build. Pero yung magiging edge nila when they use automated lighting is the technology, di ba?
Right, oo.
Not all designers, not all developers use automation.
Oh, galing. Oo nga. Kasi it will also increase the value of their real estate
Design,
product, di ba?
yes,
Kasi
correct.
when they offer, biruin mo kung akong mamimili ako, kunwari, buyer ako, mamimili ako between two townhomes. Yung isa, traditional pa, tapos may mga messy pa na switches, tapos ito, meron ng
Smart na,
di ba?
automated.
Smart pa, doon na ako.
This is
siya?
the future architect.
Yeah, it is the
Kaya
future.
talagang we should not be left behind, di ba?
Correct, that's correct. You mentioned a lot of mga projects na feeling ko mga large scale siya kasi there's the hotel, there's a golf course, mga townhomes and mga homeowners. Paano naman for the meron ba kayong mga simple solutions for condominium owners, yung mga mga young professionals who just want to get into this smart system at an affordable entry point? Meron din ba kayong gano'n?
Yes, automation is for everybody. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, this is the future, di
Oo
ba?
nga, oo. Ano ba mga products mo?
We have all lighting fixtures. We also have curtain. So, yan, pwede nating automate lahat yan, no? So, interior and exterior lighting. Pwede.
Oo. Nakita ko meron pa kayong, anong name ng app ninyo ulit?
Kasambi.
isa lang bang may owner nung control sa bahay na yun? I mean, whoever downloaded the software, siya lang may control of the
It's
house?
shareable kasi Bluetooth siya.
Oh, okay.
Yes, oo.
So, ibig sabihin, any member of the family
Yes, kahit
can use their
visitor.
own phone para
Yes.
sa pag-control
Yes.
ng light nila in their bedroom. So, ibig sabihin, even if you're not at home, nasa bakasyon ka, you can actually turn your lights on and off?
Yes. 'Di ba? Nagke-create siya ng peace of mind. So,
Mm.
wherever you are in the world, you can control the app. So,
Yeah.
pag nakalimutan mo yung lights mo i-turn off, you
Yeah,
can
oo.
simply use the app and turn it off.
That's so amazing, no? Ngayon that you are using all these mga smart technologies na
Yes.
talaga ngayon. Hindi mo na siya ma-separate from the next generations. Tama,
Yes.
oo. If you have, Malu, if you have um, parang wish list, if you have a mga wish list, ano yung mga type of projects you wanna get involved with?
Yung mga boutique spaces, mga hotels, commercial establishments, no, who could benefit from architectural lighting. Okay, architect, ako
Okay.
naman.
Ay, sige.
So, how do you protect your design from switch clutter?
Alam mo, magandang sagot dyan. Automated,
Automated
light lighting
lighting
system. Di, syempre, number one, you have to make sure na your lighting design is up to par, may quality siya. And then it is translated also in implementation. Sabihin, malaking bagay din yung craftsman, the person who installs it. Kailangan pulido rin yung
Yes.
trabaho. But syempre, if we can get away na maganda nga kung wala nang switches altogether,
Switches,
so
yeah.
the wall finish is continuous, no? You could enjoy yung, lalo na may mga design yung walls, or may mga weaves or pattern yung whole natural stone. Syempre sayang, minsan binubutasan pa natin,
Yes,
di ba?
oo, correct.
So I think it would be nice if we have some technologies or some system na you actually can control mga fixtures and devices na wala nang kailangan of switches, di ba?
At what stage ba dapat yung lighting control?
Maganda ang lighting control to come in really at the very, very start of even sa design, kasi that's where you define ano ba yung user experience per space. Tapos depende pa yan kung anong type of project we're talking about. Kasi may typologies, may some projects that meron siyang commercial operation. So it would hurt the business if you don't design it properly and if you don't put the right systems in place. Especially yan, may naman nabanggit ka about setting the mood, setting expectations, and alam naman, like for example, sa hotel, experience is everything.
Yes.
So pagka hindi nila nagustuhan ng experience, there's a possibility they won't return to your hotel anymore. But if they find it so easy to interact with, I've been to mga hotels na hindi ko nga mahanap na saan yung switch. I don't even know how to turn things on. I would like flick on and off iba-ibang switches just to get one working. But if you have such a very smart room na it's easy to understand, tatlo lang pipiliin ko, it can set my sleeping mode, my dining mode, or my entertainment mode, I'm happy kasi iba yung experience ko. I'd definitely come back to that hotel.
Have you ever had clients complain about too many switches after turnover?
Oo, marami.
Talaga, may
Actually,
mga
oo.
na-encounter
Not
ka
only
na rin.
that, kabaliktaran naman nun, may mga other clients, after turnover, naisip nila, ay, gusto ko pala dagdagan. Which is so hard kasi now you have to remove the whole wall system and then put in a new line, and then magbubutas ka na naman, and you have to grind off the wood, and you have to look for saan pa ilalagay yung new lighting and all, I think it would be nice kung meron ng mga solutions that you don't have to physically harm yung kung ano na yung
Correct.
nagawa mo, di ba? You just program it. So, bagay, lahat ngayon, digital na kasi, di ba?
Yes.
Oo.
So, if automation were integrated early, would that simplify your detailing?
To be honest, it won't. Detailing is detailing pa rin. It's still the bulk of our work as architects. Sabi nga nila, meron kaming popular saying that the devil is in the details. Talagang yun yung work namin to I think yung benefit ng introducing automation and all these high-tech devices not really to make the designer's life easier, but actually will help improve the user experience, the
Yes.
end user, yung sinong gagamit, yung homeowner, which I think all of us in the building industry are getting together to do is to really help uplift or improve yung mga real estate products nila. Tama?
Yes. Very nice.
Kung alam niyo lang, si Miss Malu, actually maraming business ito. She's an entrepreneur and she handles multiple businesses also. I think you have yung ano, di ba? Meron kang yung printing.
Yes.
Ay, oo. Sige nga,
We
tell us more about that.
We have printing, we print company profiles, corporate folders, magazines,
Wow. Okay.
hardbound, yearbooks.
Wow,
yan.
okay.
So, mga coffee table designs ninyo.
Yeah, oo.
Pwede yan.
How long na yan yung ano niyo, yung printing?
Matagal na siya. It's almost over a decade na.
Wow! Congratulations. Tinan mo, ganun kagaling si Miss Malu. Pag ang business umaabot na ng decade, ibang ano na, ibang
Magaling
level
ka,
na.
mas matanda ka sa
Hindi,
akin.
oy. Bawal ang age dito. Bukod sa printing, di ba meron kayong sa food? Sa
Yes, we also have packaging. So it's printing and packaging. We do packaging ng mga take-out boxes, customized boxes.
O, tingnan mo. So, kung meron kayong interest or dream na magkaroon ng sarili ninyong restaurant, bukod sa automated na yung lighting ninyo,
Yes.
di ba? Ano yan?
Menus.
Nag-help ba kayo sa mga design din ng brand o wala? They have to do it separately.
Pag wala silang artist, we can also lay
Wow,
out for
tinan
them.
mo. One-stop shop. And then Malu can also design the brand and then produce the printing material, pati
Yes.
mga menu and yung mga
Yes.
food packaging
Yes, correct.
and all that, no? Ano, meron ka bang showroom or place where we can go and visit?
Yes, meron kaming showroom sa Erod. So,
Oh.
it's by appointment. Pwede nilang ma-experience doon yung seamless lighting automation.
Oh, yan na. So, for those who are interested with automated lighting, you can always contact us and then we'll visit Malu's showroom at E. Rodriguez. Thank you, Ms. Malu.
Thank you, architect.
Thank you for visiting us. Such an honor.
Thanks for joining us on The Phil Big Show. Phil Big is growing as a space for sharper conversations, better connections, and real opportunities across the building industry. If this conversation gave you a fresh view on the business of building places, subscribe and share it with someone in the industry. To join the community and be part of the next wave of conversations, visit philbig.com. See you in the next one.